Hi, I'm Ashley and welcome to my apartment tour. I am currently 23 years old. I am so grateful to be able to own my own place because living alone is the best decision I ever made. But it would be really rude to go any further without introducing you to my roommate. This is my roommate, Stacy. She is 7 years old and she is the love of my life. So as you'll see, a crazy amount of things in my apartment are for her because I should not have access to adult money and have the cutest cat of all time. Also, I'm making this video because I'm sick of the $3,000 a month apartment tours in New York City for people in their 20s. This is a super realistic apartment for living in Minneapolis. I currently pay $1,100 a month for this apartment. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath. And this is pretty realistic for the price point and the area. Most of the people I know in their 20s, this is about the size and price that they can afford. So hopefully this helps because the internet is making all of these unrealistic housing standards. All right, this is the entryway of my apartment. Out here is the hallway. Here I have a spot for my keys and pepper spray and some mail. And then I have 2 storage cabinets here. And then that's where I talk to people downstairs. I have this little fish rug from Target. And then here's the storage where I keep my shoes and my winter jackets. And then here is the main living area. Now my apartment isn't the biggest, but it's definitely more than enough space for me. And considering how low my budget was and how bad my living situation was that I was in, and I needed to break the lease and I needed to get out of there ASAP, I'm really happy with this apartment. First, I have my plant right here. I wanted something to break up the space between my little desk area and the entryway because it just kind of felt out of place and weird. And since this is just one big wall, I didn't really know what to do with it. Here's a better view of my desk area. I work hybrid, so I work from home half of the days in the week. So it was really important to me to have a nice desk set up, and I didn't want it in my room so that I can kind of separate my relaxation space and my workspace. I have a rug from Facebook Marketplace that is definitely a little too small, and then I have a chair from Amazon. The desk is from IKEA. The monitor is from Facebook Marketplace. I have this little table from Facebook Marketplace, and that's my work bag, and then my everyday purse. I thrifted this beautiful artwork and I'm obsessed with it because it's gigantic and it just makes my space so colorful and cozy. And then here we have a nice little decor piece, not an eyesore at all. This is Stacy's wheel. Here's a better idea of just how gigantic this wheel actually is. It's technically the correct size for her because it's supposed to be double the length of the cat in diameter. Here is my favorite decor piece. It is the AC unit. Actually, when I moved in, the AC unit was broken and the maintenance man just walked into my apartment because he didn't know I moved in. It was just a huge mess, but he replaced it that day, so now I have AC. And then here I have some shelves that I'm not allowed to have up on the wall that I put up anyways, and I actually built them a couple of years ago. They've been in every single room that I've ever had since I started college, and I graduated a 1.5 years ago. So here's a little stand from Target. Next to that, I have my main living area. The couch is from Facebook Marketplace. This little blanket my friend gave me. The rug was also from Facebook Marketplace. This green chair was thrifted. And then I found this little matching ottoman that was also thrifted. The coffee table is from Amazon and I'm obsessed with it. On the bottom shelf, I just have some of my favorite books. And then I also have all of my journals and the remote and everything. And then I have a little fall candle and a pumpkin. This chair I found outside my apartment in the dumpster and brought it up here. It's a little rocking chair and Stacy's obsessed with it. She sleeps on it every single day. Here I have my IKEA plant stand with some plants. Nobody comment about the monstera. I know it's not doing great. I have this little mirror that I got from my old roommate. It was black and then I just spray painted it gold. I just recently got these curtains because I wanted my apartment to feel just a little bit more cozy, and I'm obsessed with the design on them, but they honestly kind of look like bed sheets. I don't know if anybody else gets that vibe from them, but let me know what you think, if I just need more of them or if I need to get different ones. plants. On my patio, I have a bird feeder and a little bird house from Hobby Lobby, and then I have some cushions from Walmart, and then just 2 little chairs and a table that are also from Facebook Marketplace. I love sitting out there, but mainly Stacy just loves watching the birds and the squirrels. On this wall, I have a little cactus tree from Walmart for Stacy, and then every single thing here I either made or thrifted. This lamp is the love of my life, and I got that on Facebook Marketplace for $40 only. And then I thrifted all of these other pieces. One of my favorite things to do is to add little doilies. I think it just makes everything feel a bit cozier. And this stand was originally one of the 8 cube organizers, but I just took out the 2 pieces in the middle and kind of broke it a little bit, but now it looks like this and I really like it. And then over here we have my favorite wall with all thrifted things. And then I have my bookshelf here. And then right next to this, I have my kitchen and my little dining area. I thrifted this bench and I made that hanging plant organizer. These pictures, I believe, were also thrifted. And my dining table setup is one of my favorite things in my apartment. I got the table for free on Facebook, and then the chairs I think were $30. They just have such a beautiful pattern on them. I love them so much. One of my favorite parts of my apartment is Stacy's little area in the kitchen. She's an automatic feeder and a little water fountain, and she really loves it. I recently just hung up some pictures of all of her favorite things, which include her cat wheel and mice and fish and chickens and me, of course. Here's my kitchen. It's actually pretty big considering how small the apartment is, and there's a ton of storage. I'm honestly struggling with how to decorate the countertops, so if you have any ideas, please let me know. I literally just hung up these pictures and this plant because it's just such a dark little corner of my apartment. Like, I have this light, but ugh. I tried to make it cute with some decor, but I just feel like, I don't know. This kitchen is just not cute. To save space though, I put these magnetic spice racks on the side of my fridge, and that has been such a game changer. I also have the cutest little towels ever. Are you kidding me? And then just a weekly planner on the fridge. And here are some magnets that I handmade with clay, and I just love looking at them. You can see them when you're going right into the kitchen. And then over here we have a hallway. This is a big closet with storage, and then I have the litter box and everything in there. Here's the bathroom, which I'll show you next. And then over here is my bedroom. When you first come into my room and you look to the left, that's where I have my 2025 checklist and just a bunch of different quotes and pictures and things. And you usually can't see this because if you're just coming into my room, it's like this. So it's really just for me. The bed frame and nightstand are both from IKEA. Most of the bedding is from a bunch of different places. The back pillows are IKEA. This little blanket is Home Goods. Above my bed, I have this vintage tapestry. When I first moved in, I realized I really don't have that much decorations considering how big this apartment is compared to my tiny bedrooms and my old ones. So that's what's above my bed for now. I think it makes it feel really cozy, but I might change it out. I have another plant above my window, and then this huge cactus cat tree for little Stacy. I have a sun catcher and another plant, and then I have this wicker basket from Facebook Marketplace that I keep all my extra bedding in. This is one of my favorite areas. The lamp is, you guessed it, from Facebook Marketplace. And then I have this little Sedona poster and my jewelry. This little beaded thing is from a garage sale. And then I took this really cheap dresser that I got from Walmart probably 7 years ago and just added these new handles onto it that are from Hobby Lobby. And it looks so much cuter and fits my space and just feels so cohesive and cozy now. This gigantic mirror is from Target. Target. And then here is my closet. I'm not going to show it to you because it's a little messy, but it's huge. Coming over here, I have my bathroom. I have this little plant here and my sink area with a ton of storage. I've never had any storage in any bathroom that I've rented, so this is incredible. And then I have my shower curtain that I love and a little bath mat. I kind of hate it because it always looks dirty because every time you touch it, it like switches the fabric, but I promise it's clean. I have this picture that matches the two above my dining table and just a little basket above the toilet. When I was apartment touring, I really wanted a bathroom with a window, and then when I got this apartment, I realized that my bathroom doesn't have a fan. There's no fan. It literally only has the window, so I don't really know if it was worth it, but I like the light in the bathroom. In my shower, I have some eucalyptus leaves. And then on the other side, I have this little shower caddy. I think the wood tones make it just look so much cozier and feel so much nicer when I'm showering. Thank you so much for watching my apartment tour. If you're somebody who's trying to navigate your 9 to 5, figure out your goals, or who wants to create a life that's more meaningful and fun, subscribe and stick around because that is what my whole channel is about, and this is the perfect little corner of the internet for you. Let me know what your favorite part of my apartment is and if you would change anything or if you like it. I would love some compliments. Thank you. Okay, bye.